Hello friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop sharing call history between two iPhones. If you're facing this issue, here's how you can quickly fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Method 1. Disable contact syncing via iCloud. 1. Tap on your name at the top to open your iCloud settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Show All under the list of apps. 3. Find Contacts and turn it off. 4. When prompted, choose Keep on My iPhone to ensure your contacts stay on the device. This will stop call history from syncing through iCloud. Method 2. Disable handoff and transfer to HomePod. 1. Go back to Settings and scroll down to General. 2. Tap on AirPlay and Handoff. 3. Turn Transfer to HomePod off. Once done, restart your iPhone for the changes to take effect. This should successfully stop the sharing of call history between the two devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Press the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.